The Premium and Discount Automatic Indicator, specifically designed for the ICT style, is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by clicking the file on the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the Command section and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it identifies the premium and discount areas for each movement leg using swings and swing lows and displays them on the chart. The Premium and Discount Automatic Indicator is a practical tool specifically designed for ICT-style traders, allowing them to easily identify the premium and discount areas for each movement leg. You can view songs with the tag P, Phi, and songs with the tag D by clicking on any of the tags A. For example, by clicking on the tag P, it identifies the premium and discount zones of the Nozzoli lag and displays the premium zone in red and the discount zone in blue. It also draws a horizontal trend line on it. The premium and discount zones separate these two areas and show traders the 50% of the movement leg, allowing them to easily perform more specialized analyses on the chart using this indicator. Additionally, by clicking on the D label, it gives traders the ability to easily identify the premium and discount areas for each movement leg and see them on the chart. It also allows traders to click on the D tag They can easily identify the premium and discount areas for each movement leg and see them on the chart. In the Settings section, there are several options available for us in the input area. In the first section, you can enable the small swing, and in the second section, you can enable or disable the big swing. By default, the big swing is displayed on the chart. If I disable this option and enable this section, it identifies minor swings on the chart and displays them slightly more clearly on the chart. If I set the big swing to true, you can easily and effectively identify the major swing and view it on the chart. And in the last section, you can also set the color of the swing lines. For example, here I choose blue and then click OK. So the color of the swing lines changes for me. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.